damage, coma, or death. Let's look at BR's clinical features following his traumatic brain injury. He has increased flexor tone in his upper extremities. A high muscle tone, or spasticity, is a common neurological defect following a severe traumatic brain injury. Motor neurons send signals from the brain to muscles to cause movement. A traumatic brain injury can interrupt the flow of the signals being sent from the brain to the muscles, causing this change in muscle tone. This leads to the following activity limitations. BR does not have the motor control, range of motion, and strength required to hold or grip tools or operate machinery, which is needed for his job as a carpenter, which leads to the participation restrictions. He is unable to work as a carpenter. Another clinical feature BR displays is a cognitive impairment. BR is experiencing cognitive problems after sustaining a traumatic brain injury. He has poor concentration, attention, memory, poor reasoning, and decreased language comprehension. This leads to the following activity limitations: impaired ability to understand and process new information and retrieve old information. He has difficulty with problem solving in order to do tasks such as understanding new information and doing assignments. He has difficulty concentrating or attending to tasks such as reading, writing, and listening to a lecture, which leads to the following participation restrictions. At this time, BR is unable to participate in school and advance in his post-secondary education. Another clinical feature BR displays is impaired perception of auditory and visual input. This leads to the following activity limitations: impaired ability to listen to the television or audiobooks, impaired ability to read text from books or subtitles on the computer or television screen, which results in the following participation restriction. BR will have difficulty participating in his favorite leisure activity, which is to attend his film and book club with his friend. Thank you for listening to our presentation about traumatic brain injuries.
Created using Powtoon.